Morning guys, how you doing? Uncle Craig here, off the Bon Knock, about 15 minutes from the house where we're at the RAAT Championship Rally, round 2. Gonna be racing these cars through the rice fields. Not me, but it's pretty cool. They're time trial, so there's kind of single file, but gonna get some action on the drone, and looks like a little morning of it, so hope you enjoy it. We'll get back at you. Back at it right here in the rice fields. You can see behind me, this is where the cars are going to be racing through there, all through there, different roads. We went on the course yesterday with some subscribers, had a lot of fun, and we also found out that one of the hairpin turns are right at the corner of what is really family land back there. So, but if we go over there, we thought about going over there and parking over there and just watching that turn, you know. But once if we're able to get in there this morning, we wouldn't be able to get out until the race was over, because, you know, it's basically one way in, one way out. It's a single road, so the cars aren't really, you know, racing against each other side by side. If they catch up to each other, maybe they have to do a pass, but really they're coming up to a timed gate basically and taking off, and then the next guy comes up taking off, and so it's really about your timing, earn the point basis. This is a round 2 in the championship series, so they'll add those up. But, you know, for a small village to have this activity is really promoting not only the sport, but it's tourism to the area, the province, and also certainly revenue. Behind me over here are what is really about 6 different pit rows with support vehicles, everything you can imagine. I mean, you know, race day is a lot of fun. And if you've ever been to the races, you always got to go down in the pits, check things out, get up close to the cars. And it's what's cool down here, you don't need special passes or special permits or anything like that. You just come up, and hell, you could even sign up and probably race your own car if you met the criteria, even as a foreigner, because a lot of these cars, almost all of them, they'll have the names of the drivers on the window, the 2 drivers, and a rally like that, there's, you know, one guy's giving out to the right turn, left turn, that kind of stuff, and then the other guy's hauling ass steering the car, right? So you'll see the little country flag next to the name, if it's a Japanese guy and a Thai guy, or 2 Thai guys, whatever. And so it's pretty cool, man. They do a lot of racing in Thailand, racing motorcycles, bicycles, these kind of rally cars, street cars, all kinds of stuff. And I see most of my racing actually from CB Media's website on YouTube. That's where I got the shirt actually a couple years ago from Thailand Dago, when he rented out a track down there in Chonburi. But great material on his website if you want to see all kinds of, even racing buffalo too. He catches it all. But it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be a little bit high. We got an official out here. This guy, the official's got the bullhorn. Too funny. Gonna be telling, get your driver ready. The guys will, I can already hear him. The guys will take the regular streets, drive their car on the regular streets, even though the cars aren't street legal. They'll drive them on the regular streets and get to the time start point, and that's where they'll pull up off-road. The course takes it actually off-road. It's all dirt off-road. It'll come right up there. There's 2 checkpoints basically before they get to before they get to the actual start. There's a time clock, digital clock performance. So you pull up on your digital clock, and it's countdown, and you watch your gauge. It's not like it's not red, green. It's digital clock. So you just watch your digital count down to 0, and you take off. And so hopefully we'll be able to get some more close-up action if we can maneuver ourselves. We'll probably go down into the course after it's over again today, but we'll also go straight into the action, go using the drone. I got to be careful about that, because obviously you can't, you know, you don't want to follow the cars in the drone. You really need to just support them on the side, or otherwise watch it from the side so that it doesn't take down any of the other vehicles in the way. You know, if for some reason the drone crashes, we don't want that. Right? But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's supposed to be a lot of we did have races yesterday. I don't know if I just mentioned that, but it was pretty cool. We saw a little bit of action, but we were out having lunch first. Now the guys are moving out. I can hear all the cars starting to line up, probably one by one. They're moving out on the road, and they're going to be going to their starting entrance, wherever that is. We'll have to check it out. All right, man. Well, let me get back at you from the off-road. Back at you. So this is your typical start point for the time. Single road. I don't know if you can see that time clock behind me. We'll get up there a little bit closer to take a look. And they're off. You got cars coming in, they're a little bit lined up, waiting for their turn. We'll travel on that main road out there by us, and then turn off into their starting point here. And then they come out. I think they have to come out on the road again and maybe go to a different point, because over there by the family land they have one of these starting points. So it'd be interesting to know what the actual course was. I couldn't find the course map or anything, so we'll have to check that out maybe later. All right, man, let's do it. I don't think I've even ever been on this road yet, so I'm going to send the drone up, take some more drone shots, see what that looks like. Back at you. Well, we are here on the family land. I can hear the subtle roar of the engine in the background, which means coming around the corner. We just got here, actually. I had to park over there because we're on the other side of the tape. Here, let's check out the car. It's gonna go right by here. It's one of those deals. I'm on the side of a river, so you know, if he crashes in the river, that's gonna be a problem. We already saw it's a hairpin turn. When we were filming before over there, it kind of stopped, so that's why we left that place, came over here, because there must have been an accident. We had two different ambulances coming in, so the cars all started to get backed up because they had to wait, you know, till whatever was cleared. So check it out. I'm gonna get my drone up here on the next car maybe, so I can see it coming around the corner. Pretty cool. But here, man, check it out. This is how we do it here. We watch the rally car races from the little Pala Pala. This is all that's family land. Under her sister's name. Whoa. I'm a little tall for this, but yeah. Pretty cool, man. It's a little hot today. Definitely, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's pretty hot. Anyway. So like I said, the cars, you know, they're individual, right? They're not all side by side racing each other. So that guy took off. Probably be another one couple minutes, another one couple minutes, like that, like that. In the middle of it all, there's still guys over there doing their farming. Gotta get that done. All right, I'll get back at you. Oh yeah, he's gonna hit that hairpin turn, buddy. Yeah, that'd be so much fun. I don't know. Might be me next year. Yeah, that was a pretty cool shot, huh? Put it on the ground over there. I'm walking along the rice berm here. I can hear a car coming. I'm gonna see if this is a turn up here, so I'm gonna see if I can get another shot of a guy running into the turn. Oh yeah. While I walk over the rice fields. Here he comes. Check him out, man. Turn there. Whoa, that's a hairpin slow turn. You gotta stop. Uh-oh. I think he stalled out right there. Was able to boom, start it back up on the fly. So he didn't have to fishtail over there. But yep, back on the road, man. Dude, it's a little warm out here. Oh, we got mangoes. Whoa. Wonder what the guy in the tractor thinks. He's plowing his field going, dang, these guys are making dust. Pretty cool. Yeah, my cell phone, I'm gonna have to go put it in the truck, charge it. A little short story there before I left the other side where the ambulance, as I said, was. So I use one memory card, so I'll swap it between my iPhone or my GoPro and my drone. And I took it out of the drone, set it on my lap when I was sitting in the truck, put it like this, and then it fell. I was like, whoa, where'd it go? And I swear to God, I couldn't find it. It was basically tearing the truck apart. Looked on the ground, couldn't find it everywhere. And I was like, what? And yeah. But you know, I finally found that it was on the ground. Yeah, that's like a hatchback or something. But yeah, dude. But anyway, when I was doing that, looking in the truck, I put my light on my phone, my torch, right? So I'm looking around, and then still couldn't find it. But then when I found it, I just charged the phone back in the truck, right? But I didn't turn the light off. So when I got here, it was still only about 40%. And then that one drone trip brought it back down to 1%. So now if I want to fly my drone again, which I do, I got to go drop the phone. So yeah. Oh yeah, oh, that's right. Dot's phone has the app on it, so could use that one. Nice. Whew, it's hot. It's probably 100 degrees right now. All right, man. Let's get to it. Almost bought the farm right there. Nice. So right after that car did the almost flip, right? And then it took off, and then I walked over here, so he probably made a couple more turns, and I don't know if it was him or maybe the car in front of him, because the car in front of him also had a little bit of a whoop over here, but I don't think I recorded that one. But anyway, the race official with the sirens on just went racing by and said something about, you know, like, stay back, the ambulance is coming. So wouldn't be surprised if the guy flipped. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to my truck in case the ambulance is coming that way. My truck might be in the way because the road is narrow, so I need to be near the truck in case I need to move it off the way. We'll get back at you.